apologise about that noise outside. Good morning, guys. It is, why do I keep saying it's Wednesday? It's not Wednesday, it's Friday. Friday! My host dad is working from home. My host mum was home earlier today. She did school drop off. So I got to sleep in a little bit, but then I had to get up to go to coffee with the au pairs, which I did. It was nice, came back. Then, well, actually, while I was sitting at coffee with the au pairs, I realised that I hadn't finished editing my, what I ate. So I had to come home, and I did not have enough time at all to be able to edit, to edit that together, because it was taking me forever to edit anyway. So I filmed another video, which was a baby name video, so if you guys haven't seen that, go and check it out. And then so I came home, filmed that, edited that, uploaded that all in the space of like 2 hours maybe. And then been chilling. I have started doing the hashtag museum30 on Twitter and Instagram, on my personal Instagram. And if you guys are not following me on Twitter, go and follow me on Twitter, because I'm doing that. It will be up to day 3 by the time you're seeing this. So what prompt is day 3? Let me check. Day 3 is self-portrait. What am I going to post? So yeah, I'm really excited. There are obviously 30 prompts, and you pick, and like you do your interpretation of that. That's what's going on. It's a really quite a crisp day. That's why I have the windows open and there's noise outside. Apologies about that. And what else is going on? I'm going to fireworks tonight, so I will try and vlog. I am going with my host family, so I don't know what I'll be able to vlog, but if I can, I'll sneak a couple clips in. Spoke to my mum this morning, which was nice. I haven't spoken to her in a while. I don't really know what else to say. Not much is going on. I'm going to the London Transport Museum tomorrow. I'm so excited. With my Hidden London tour, I get 50% off, I think. So, I'm going to go and do that tomorrow, which I'm really excited about. So yeah, there's a strike on the railways again tomorrow, on South Western Railway tomorrow, so there's only half-hourly services, which is a bit annoying. I know half-hourly services are not bad, like, but it's just annoying. And I'm babysitting tomorrow night as well. My host dad's niece is coming up to stay, because she's going to university in Southampton. I've said this before, she goes to university in Southampton, and she's moved from the US, so she like comes up to have a break and see some family and familiar faces and stuff, which is cool. So she's coming up tonight, and yeah, that's what's going on really. I probably should have some lunch, but I also had a big breakfast, so I love how some clips are like longer than vlogs that I've made. Like, I just like rambled at you guys, and the entire clip that I just rambled at you guys for was longer than yesterday's vlog. What is that about? Sometimes I just feel like talking, and sometimes I really don't. Sometimes I have a lot to say, and sometimes I really don't. Anyway. So I just realised that it's almost Monday, which never sounds like a good thing. You should never think it's almost Monday when it's actually Friday. You should never be thinking about Monday on a Friday. But I'm thinking about Monday on a Friday, because on Monday, Outlander starts. Sorry, I'm just plugging my phone into charge. That is the most exciting news of my entire life. I'm 10 out of 10 much excited for Outlander. I'm really quite excited. It's going to be amazing, and did I mention I'm excited? I'm so keen. Well, it's going to be so hard, because what's going to happen is it airs in the US on the Saturday, no, sorry, on the Sunday, and doesn't air in here in the UK until the Monday night. So I'm just like not gonna have to look at my phone. Although I suppose it won't be too bad because it was a time difference. I'm so excited. Don't think you guys will understand. I'm really excited. Hey guys, it is 11 o'clock. Oh gosh. Obviously we're back from the fireworks. We were back at like 8 o'clock, just before 8 o'clock I think. I think I went to my hostess niece is staying again. So it's fireworks, came home, had dinner, watched a bit of TV, chatted, stuff like that. And now I'm actually about to sit down and edit the vlog. I'm not gonna have time tomorrow because I'm going to the Transport Museum. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now. Hope you guys enjoyed all the footage. Don't know quite what there was or how I put it together, but I did vlog on my iPhone 5S, but my iPhone 5 because my other phone wasn't working. It had the flash on. I didn't want the flash on. It was being all weird, but so I hope it was some okay footage. I had mulled wine for the first time, which was really good. And yeah, lost a glove already. How have I lost a glove already? I mean, they were £1 and it was a pack of 2, so I'm not really mad. But anyway, I'm gonna go now. London Transport Museum tomorrow, which should be so much fun. And yeah, I'm so tired. I really just want to go to bed, but I need to end this vlog. So I'm not gonna have time tomorrow. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye.